back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kenny. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up down below and leave me nice comments in the comment section below. Today's video is one of my highly requested video, not only here on YouTube, also on Instagram. I'm telling you, I can't count how many messages I got on today's video. So like to do today's video, so let me just jump into it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing an updated, I think I did one couple of years ago, which a lot have changed since then. Yeah, so I'm going to be sharing with you my updated DIY with shea butter recipe routine. I don't know what to call it. Just my updated DIY with shea butter. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. Yeah, so if you've been following me for a while, if you know me, if you're following me even on Instagram, you would know that one of the things that I just have to have in my beauty regimen is DIY with shea butter. I can hardly go on without it. I don't know, I just love that thing. It gets everything done for me. And I've made a lot of video where I actually like kind of praise this DIY. That is because I just love it. It gets a lot of things done for me, and I love it. So I'm just gonna jump into the video to show you how I make it. And when I make my DIY with shea butter, I always make it in three tubs, three stages. Can I say 3 tubs in three ways? The first one is for my hair. I use it to moisturize my hair, seal in moisture in my hair, add shine to my hair, and most importantly, I add it to my hair mask, any deep conditioner I'm using, either DIY or store-bought, to enhance it, to deep condition my hair. The second one, I use it on my edges to grow this. See these edges you're seeing, maintained and full like this. Yeah, I put a lot of stress on my edges as well, and there was a time when my edges actually like broke off and I was going bald. This is the treatment I use. I also mentioned it in my how to grow back your edges video. So if you're looking for that recipe, the shea butter mix that I mentioned, I said I use to grow back my edges, this is the video for you to watch. And the third thing I use it for, it's for my body, for this melanin glue you're seeing right here. Yeah, I use it for my body. I either mix it in with my moisturizer or I use it like that, especially now that we're in the cold month. That is what I've been using, like primarily to moisturize my body. Yeah, so I just love to use it. I'm using it on my kit as well. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me nice comments in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. If you have any question, drop it down below as well. I'll kindly and gladly answer you. Bye guys.
Okay guys, so those are the things I'm gonna be using for my DIY whipped shea butter. I'm gonna be using raw shea butter, which I got from Nigeria. I prefer getting this from Nigeria because then I'll be sure of its authenticity. And also these oils that I got from one of the trusted brands in UK, which is Naissance. I got the coconut oil, I got the extra virgin olive oil, castor oil, almond oil, and also some essential oils, 3 essential oils, which are tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and lavender oil. So this is how much of the shea butter I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using half a tub of this coconut oil. I got 1 kg, so I'm going to be using about 500 grams of the coconut oil. So the coconut oil and the shea butter together, I'm going to melt the coconut oil and the shea butter because both of these two are the solid in everything I'm going to be mixing together. Every other thing, the liquidy, so the liquidy oils. So I'm going to put the coconut oil and the shea butter in hot water, in boiling water, to melt the two together. So that is why I'm placing it there. I won't suggest to place it in a microwave. I would suggest to place it in boiling water so that it gradually melts. That way you're not disrupting it, what do I call it, too much. So that is what I'm doing right here. I'm melting the coconut oil and the shea butter. So I'm going to leave it in this water for a while till both are completely melted together. So this is the oil once they are both melted together. Now I'll divide it into two, one for my hair and one for my body, because I'm going to be using different oils for the one that's for my hair, different oils for the one for my body. So I'm going to start adding the oils in each of these melted oil and butter. I'll start with the olive oil. I'm going to use this cup is about 200 ml. I'm going to use roughly about 100 to 120 ml of the olive oil. And the next oil is the sweet almond oil. I'm going to use same quantity. And the next oil is the castor oil, so I'm going to use same quantity as well. Then I added about 100 more ml of olive oil to the mixture. Then I'm going to mix it together and set it aside. And the next one is the one for my body. So I'm going to start with the sweet almond oil. I'm going to add about 120 ml of that. And then the olive oil, I'm going to add about 100 to 120 ml of that as well. Then I'm going to mix together. So as you can see, I'm not using castor oil for the one for my body. So I'm going to leave these two in the fridge overnight for them to harden up, because I've already mixed all these oils together. For me to be able to whip it, I have to whip it in hardened state. So this is the next day. Both oils have hardened up. Now I'm going to start whipping them using my hand mixer. So I'm just going to drill my hand mixer through the hardened oil, and I'm going to give it a good whip. So this is it. Once I've mixed it, once I've whipped it, you can see it looks so fluffy, like whipped cream. So this is it. Once I put it on my hand, immediately melt from on my hand because it's been whipped and it's lightweight. Usually when you use shea butter on its own or coconut oil on its own, it may take a while before it's melt, but whipping this with other oils just makes it more lightweight and more penetratable for hair. So I'm going to scoop a good amount of it into these old big old eco styler tub, and the remainder of it I'm going to add my essential oils in there: lavender oil, peppermint oil, and tea tree oil. I'm going to add about 30 to 50 drops of each oil into the whipped shea butter. And then I'm gonna give it more whip, and this is the one for my edges and also for my scalp. And then I'm going to scoop it into this tub as well and set it aside. And this is the last mixture, which is the one for my body. Like I told you, this is shea butter, olive oil, shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, and jojoba oil. So I'm going to give it a good whip as well. And I'm going to put it in another tub, as you can see. So this is the texture of the shea butter. Once it's whipped, it looks so much like whipped cream, and so lightweight and fluffy, and it melts really fast once you need it. So I would suggest you keep this in a very cold place if you don't want it melting and adding up all the time. These are the 3 tubs of my whipped shea butter, and this is how I use the one for my hair. This is hair mask that I'm going to be using to deep condition my hair. I'm going to take a good scoop of the whipped shea butter and I'm going to put it in there, about 1 spoonful, and then I'm going to mix them together and use it to deep condition my hair. I'm going to use it to moisturize my hair. After applying my leave-in oil moisturizer I'm using, I'm going to take that and smooth it through my hair as well, and I'm going to like braid or style my hair, whichever style I'm going for. It just gives my hair additional shine, more nourishment, and it makes it really easy for me to manipulate my hair because it softens it. And this is the one for my edges. I'm going to put it on my edges and a little bit on my scalp. It feels tingly and nice on the edges and scalp, like peppermint oil. So that is me done for these 3 oils. And this is my hair once I took it out of those braids. It just looks so fluffy, so light, so fluffy, and so nice. And this is the one for my body. I'm going to apply it on my hand now. It melts right into my hand and gives me that beautiful shine and glow. I don't know, that's out of focus, I'm sorry. So that is that for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. Please leave me a nice comment in the comment section below if you do. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.